This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to learn Python in Pydroid 3, updated. Open Pydroid 3, create a new file called main.py, and run a simple print statement to verify setup. Use the editor for typing code, the terminal for execution, and the package manager to install libraries like NumPy or requests for practice. Begin with the essentials: variables, data types, and basic input and output, then move to control flow like if statements and loops. Write small functions to practice organizing code and returning values. Test each piece in Pydroid 3, tweak it, and repeat until you feel comfortable building slightly larger scripts. Move into practical projects like a calculator, a simple web scraper, or file automation to build confidence. Break each project into tasks, implement one feature at a time, and test frequently in Pydroid 3. Use modules from the package manager and read error messages carefully to debug and learn from mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.